Hello, dear subscribers, dear friends. Welcome to my channel. Now in this video, I will show you how you can absolutely free, literally in a few minutes, to recruit a lot of live subscribers in Instagram. Absolutely on any phone and absolutely on any account. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments, put likes, share this video with your friends, and watch it till the end. Let's go. To do that, we need to go to Instagram. After that, open up our profile. And as you can see, I now have 16 followers, 36 subscriptions. Let's try to scroll. We click on the search bar. And in the search, we have to write very popular, the most popular person that we have at all in Instagram. Let's say it's Cristiano Ronaldo. We go to his account and click follow. After we have subscribed to him, we'd have new accounts with more followers and our recommendations. After that, we click follow, and we subscribe to about 15 to 20 people from this series that we got popping up here, with NBA, Arsenal, Inter, so all the popular clubs. Look at Juventus, 59 million followers. Subscribe. Now, I'll tell you how this scheme will work. Chelsea, and so on. That is, subscribe to a lot. There are 15 to 20, then take a break, and then subscribe again. After that, you go out, go to the main page. This scheme works, so you subscribe to popular personalities and other people come in. See such subscribers and subscribe to you in a row. Well, the most important thing is that these are real live people. Here's how you can notice. Here's a person just subscribed to me already. That is a way of real working. You just subscribe to popular bloggers, popular accounts that are celebrities in Instagram. And after that, you don't have to do anything. You just wait, while you will have people subscribe to you automatically. Of course, they will not immediately subscribe. You need to wait maybe 20 to 30 minutes, maybe a couple of hours, and you will see that you are already subscribed to a lot of people. And you may also like your page, because it will be live previously people. If you like this video and you manage to gain, in my way, the method of subscribers in Instagram in a few minutes, then be sure to write in the comments, subscribe to the channel, be sure to put likes, and share this video with your friends. Thank you all for watching this video to the end. Goodbye.